If you're tired of your regular sewing machine struggling with thick fabric, skipping stitches, or just slowing you down, then you're probably ready for a semi-industrial machine. These machines are faster, stronger, and way more reliable. But here's the problem. Not all of them are worth your money. So, in this video, I'm counting down the 7 best semi-industrial sewing machines, from solid entry-level workhorses all the way up to serious quilting and heavy-duty beasts. And trust me, some of these will completely change how you sew. Let's start with number 7. Number 7, Juki TL2000QI. This machine is what I'd call your entry ticket into the semi-industrial world. It's simple, no computer, no distractions, just raw sewing power. You get 1,500 stitches per minute, a full metal body, and that signature Juki straight stitch quality that people rave about. And honestly, that stitch quality is the main reason people fall in love with this machine. It's fast, responsive, and doesn't have that annoying delay you get with computerized machines. You press the pedal, it goes. Instantly. The foot pedal thread cutter is also a game changer. Once you get used to cutting thread with your heel, going back to a regular machine feels outdated. But let's be real, this machine isn't for everyone. It only does straight stitch, no zigzag, no stretch stitches, and there's no speed control slider, so beginners might find it a bit intimidating at first. Still, if you want a reliable, no-nonsense workhorse, this is a fantastic starting point. Number 6, Brother PQ1600S. Now stepping things up, this Brother is a serious upgrade in control and usability. You still get that 1,500 stitches per minute speed, but now you also get features that make your life easier, like a push-button thread cutter, programmable needle stop position, and something really important, adjustable feed dogs. And not just basic adjustment, you get 4 color-coded levels, which gives you way more control over different fabrics. That's huge if you're working with quilts, velvet, or layered materials. The workspace is also bigger, and it comes with a large extension table, so handling big projects feels much easier compared to smaller machines. Now, it's not perfect. The bobbin placement is a bit awkward, and like most machines in this category, it's straight stitch only. But overall, this machine hits a sweet spot between power, control, and ease of use, especially for quilters and small business setups. Number 5, Juki TL2010Q. This is where things start getting really serious. The TL2010Q is one of the most popular semi-industrial machines out there, and for good reason. The stitch quality? Flawless. Consistent. Every single time. This is the kind of machine where you sit down, start sewing, and just trust it. It's fast, it's solid, and the foot pedal thread cutter makes your workflow incredibly smooth. If you're into quilting or precise piecing, this machine is a dream. Your seams come out accurate, your stitches look clean, and everything just lines up better. But there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The lighting isn't great out of the box, and surprisingly, the walking foot performance can be hit or miss depending on your setup. And again, straight stitch only. But if your priority is precision and reliability, this machine absolutely delivers. Number 4, Janome 1600PQC. Now this one is a bit of a legend. The Janome 1600PQC has been around for years, and people still swear by it. Why? Because it's fast, simple, and built to last. You get 1,600 stitches per minute, which is seriously fast, and a dedicated bobbin winder motor. That means you can wind bobbins without stopping your sewing. Small feature, but once you use it, you won't want to go back. This machine is especially loved by quilters who do a lot of piecing. You can just fly through projects. But it does come with a learning curve. Tension is manual, there's a pre-tension system, and you'll need to dial things in yourself. Once you get it right, it's amazing, but it takes a bit of patience at first. Also, it's loud. Not terrible, but definitely more industrial sounding. Still, if you want a proven, long-term workhorse, this machine is hard to beat. Number 3, Juki TL18QVP. Now we're entering premium territory. This machine is basically industrial-level performance in a portable body. One standout feature here is the float function, where the presser foot slightly hovers above the fabric. That might sound small, but it makes a huge difference when sewing thick seams or tricky materials like velvet. You also get better lighting control, smoother feeding, and extremely precise stitching, especially at slower speeds. That's something not all fast machines handle well. It's also quieter and more refined compared to lower models, thanks to its aluminum construction. But again, straight stitch only, and you'll need to keep up with maintenance like oiling. This machine is clearly built for people who care about performance, precision, and long-term durability. Number 2. Janome HD9. This machine is a beast. If you sew bags, leather, vinyl, or anything thick, this is where things get exciting. The HD9 combines industrial-style power with home machine convenience, which is honestly a rare combo. It handles thick layers effortlessly, produces beautiful top stitching, and still fits on a regular sewing desk. No industrial table needed. You also get features like an automatic thread cutter, knee lift, and adjustable presser foot pressure, all designed to make heavy-duty sewing smoother. The biggest limitation? It's straight stitch only. And it uses special needles, which might take some getting used to. But if your focus is power and clean, professional stitching, this machine is incredible. Number 1. Grace Little Rebel. And finally, number 1. This one is different from everything else on the list. The Little Rebel isn't just a sewing machine, it's a quilting and sewing hybrid system. You can switch from piecing to free motion quilting in minutes. That alone makes it incredibly versatile. It also comes with built-in stitch regulation, which means your stitches stay consistent even if your speed changes. That's a big deal for quilting. The large throat space gives you room to handle big quilts without constantly fighting your fabric. And if you pair it with a frame, you're basically getting a long-arm style experience, without spending thousands. Of course, it's heavier and more specialized than the others. But if quilting is your main focus, this machine gives you the most complete setup on this list. So, there you have it, the best semi-industrial sewing machines, from simple workhorses to full-on quilting powerhouses. If you're just getting started, something like the TL2000QI is a great entry point. If you want precision and reliability, the TL2010Q or Janome 1600PQC are solid picks. And if you're serious about quilting, the Little Rebel is on another level. Now, I'm curious, which one are you thinking about getting? Drop it in the comments, and I'll help you choose the right one. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe because I've got more sewing machine comparisons coming up. See you in the next one.